How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today let's check out some of the new Android tips, tricks and hidden features that will surely help you to get most out of your Android smartphone. With that said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, let me show you a couple of really important privacy settings that you need to change right now on your Android device. Have you ever noticed that when you type a password in Android, you can easily see one letter at a time, and if you're a slow typer, then chances are somebody else can also see your password by just sitting next to you. Now to fix this, just go into your phone settings, select security and privacy. Here go inside privacy, you will find something called as show password. You just need to go ahead and turn it off. Now your passwords will be hidden always. Not only this, you can also hide the pattern animations as well. Again go into security and privacy, select device unlock. Here click on the gear icon and turn off make patterns visible. This way you can easily hide your passwords while you type in. When you are in a public place, you might get notifications on your phone asking you to connect to a public Wi-Fi network. This can be super annoying, especially when you have no intentions of connecting to any unsecure network. Luckily, you have got the option to block these kind of notifications on your phone. Just go into settings, select network and internet. Go inside internet and click on this option that says network preferences. From here, you can easily disable this setting called notify for public networks. Did you know that your Android device can automatically archive apps that you don't use on your phone? Whether it's the app you downloaded one time to get a restaurant coupon or the fitness tracker you meant to use but never did. We all have those apps that live on our phones until they get deleted to free up space. Now Android has this new feature called Auto Archive Apps that can be found inside the Play Store. Just click on your profile picture, go to settings, select general, and here you will find this option that you need to turn on. When this setting is enabled, the apps you don't use often will get removed, but your personal data on the app will be saved. This works the same as offload apps, and I think it's a great way to free up some storage on your phone. Now the next Android setting I want to talk about is for Android 14 users. Even if you haven't received the update on your phone, you can still turn this on when you get Android 14. Well, Google added a very interesting gesture in Android 14 that actually works on the settings page, and sometimes it even works while using Chrome, and it's called predictive back animation. Right now I'm in the phone settings. If I go inside location and then select location services. Now if you want to see the previous menu even before going back to that page, I'll just use the back gesture and I can actually glance at the previous page without even going back to that menu. This can be useful when you want to see what's in the background before you exit the current page. To enable this gesture, you need to activate the developer options. So just go into settings, about phone, scroll down and tap on this build number for 7 times. Just go back, click on system and then select developer options. Here you need to search for predictive back animation and turn this on. Now when you are in the settings, just use the back gesture to glance and have a look at the previous page. Since we are in the developer options, let me show you a couple more hidden Android settings, and these are not exclusive Android 14 features. If you scroll all the way down to this app section, here you will find something called as freeform windows. Just go ahead and turn on this option. Make sure you reboot your phone once, and then when you go to the recent apps menu, tap on any app icon, you will now see this brand new option called freeform. When you click on this option, that specific app will launch in a freeform window. You can even resize and change the position as per your need. This way you can open multiple apps at the same time and take your multitasking to the next level. If you really want to improve the battery performance on your phone, then you need to enable this setting called Wi-Fi scan throttling. This can be found under the networking section, and if it is disabled on your phone, then I'll highly suggest you to go ahead and turn it on. What it does is, it basically reduces the battery drain and improves the network performance on your phone. It limits background apps from scanning Wi-Fi frequently, and it does improve the performance of your phone's battery. Now the last setting that you need to enable inside the developer options is called Force Peak High Refresh Rate. Guys, if you're unable to find any of these settings, then you can simply use the search tab that is on the top right. Now once you enable this option, it will make sure that the refresh rate always stays at 120Hz, and it basically improves the overall smoothness and the animation quality. So if you're noticing some frame drops and the refresh rate constantly goes down to 60Hz when using certain apps on your phone, then I'll recommend you to go ahead and enable this feature right now. It does consume a bit of your phone's battery, but you'll get buttery smooth experience on your phone. Whenever I swipe from the bottom left or right corner, it activates the Google Assistant, and I think it's one of the convenient way to quickly access the assistant from anywhere on your screen. To enable this feature on your phone, again go to Settings, Navigation Gestures, tap on this gear icon and enable this option called Swipe to access Assistant. Now you just need to swipe up from the bottom corner to quickly access the assistant for you. Next, if you go inside Accessibility and if you scroll down, you get this option called System Control. Just go inside and enable this option called Power Button Ends Call. I think it's one of the most useful shortcut that you can enable on your phone. So whenever you want to quickly end a call, you just need to press your power button. It comes really handy when you are doing some other work on your phone and you cannot go back to the caller screen just to disconnect that call. Sometimes when you read an article or browse something on your phone, the text looks super tiny and it gets really difficult to read. In such situations, what I usually do is I quickly tap the screen 3 times to zoom in. To enable this setting on your phone, go to Accessibility, select Magnification and choose whichever shortcut is convenient for you. I prefer using the triple tap gesture to activate the magnification view. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some really useful tips, tricks and hidden features for your Android phone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.